guys, welcome to the Huntington Beach apartment tour at Ocean Breeze Villas. So this is our entrance. Here's a chill out area. All of our shoes. Then we have here our bikes. And the living room area. Here we can light, and then you can open these doors as well and go outside. Right there. From this perspective. There's some storage room, our mirror. And then let's head in the kitchen. Got a fridge. And a bathroom. And then let's head upstairs. Upstairs we have one single room and two double room, but we mixed it up a little bit. So this is the largest room and we put in 3 beds, but you can change it. There's a lot of storage in here as well, closet, and then there's one more storage room here and one there. Then one more bathroom. And this room is a double room as well, but this is right now a single room. Also with a closet. And last but not least, this single room. Also with a closet. And right here we have our parking lots, I would say. And then on every edge we have a laundry room and a garbage back there as well, and then on the other 2 edges as well. Right here we have our barbecue area. And a little playground for the little ones. You know what, guys? We also got a nice pool area. Up here we have our gym, but there are right now, if we order something online, like packages or something, this is the place you go to and get your package delivered. And right here you get your mail.